If you're new to editing videos or you're looking for a way to streamline your editing process, this video will show you the steps to making a very simple video. Thanks for watching. I'm Cheryl Tan, the founder of Master Video Today. It's a comprehensive program that offers training, accountability, and support for video creators at all levels. I'm always looking for ways to simplify how I shoot and edit. In this video, I wanted to share a program I've come to depend on. It's called WeVideo, and it's an online video editor. All right, so let's talk about editing in the comments. Do you edit your own videos? If you do, what video editing program do you use? There's so many options out there. Subscribe to the channel if you want weekly strategies that can help you incorporate video into your business. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon and you won't miss a thing. And if you want my Getting Started with Video guide, you can find a link to it in the description below. Let's go straight into the program. I originally started using WeVideo a few years ago to edit a Christmas video for my family. It was perfect for handling multiple clips. It was easy to use, and my family really loved the finished video. I was not using it for business at all, but after creating this Christmas video, I realized how much power it had and that it could be a great tool to use for clients and for me. Keep in mind the videos I shoot and create are mainly for social media or for my blog, some for sales pages. I use the services of a professional videographer and editor for videos on the homepage of my website or anything used in large-scale presentations. But to edit simple projects, I use WeVideo. Here's what I do. I'll shoot a video on my iPhone and then upload it into WeVideo through WeVideo's mobile app. Then I log into WeVideo from my desktop and my clip is already loaded into the program. I love that I don't have to send the clip to myself and then download it to my hard drive and then upload it into the program. It saves me so many steps. The first thing you do is sign into WeVideo.com. And once you log in, here is what you'll see. Create a new video, click on the video icon. I know that I want to post this on YouTube, probably on Facebook, so I definitely want horizontal video. I'm going to click Start Editing here. And that clip that we uploaded from the mobile app will be here in the media library. I know that it's in the Cheryl folder, and I'll take this clip right here. This one's about 54 seconds long. And what I want to do is put all the clips that I have in my video sequentially. Now, I only have one clip in here right now, and that's all I need. But if you were putting multiple clips in your video, maybe you have a bunch of clips that you've recorded, then you want to put them sequentially, and you're going to listen through to the whole thing and basically take out the pieces that you don't like. So this is the A-roll line where you have the audio and video mixed in, but really you're listening for what the video will sound like when it's finished. Once you're done laying the A-roll, you want to add B-roll, and you would add that right here on this video 2 line, where you'll put in things that will enhance your viewer's experience. So audio and video both make up your video. So listen here.
3, 2.
And you'll hear I said 3, 2. And it's something that I always know to do when I'm putting together a video where just one person is going to be the headliner in the video. I know that it's just me, 3, 2, and I pause and I'm silent on the 1. And here I know that once I click into the clip and then click this scissors icon, it will split the clip, and this part that is highlighted in orange means I can delete it. It just took away that 3, 2 part. Now when I play the clip,
If you're wondering if it's worth the time and effort to create video,
it starts right where I want it to. At the end, I also know that I ended my video and then I just want to get rid of that end part. Okay. And I knew I was smiling, and here I click into the clip, I click the scissors icon, and I highlight the part here at the end. It turned orange, and now I click delete. So this video is essentially done. There's not much to it. It's just me on camera. If I wanted to, I could add a little bit of B-roll. I could add what's known as a lower third, which is my name that comes up once the video starts playing. So I could do that. I click up here, click on text, and use this right here and bring this down, my lower third here. I click into this little box so I can change
what comes up. So for example, I would change my colors. I know what color I use in my branding. I change the font. I like to use Lato. So I'll change both of these to Lato. Here you go. So then I type my name and then my title and click on Save Changes. Now remember, this clip is about one of my former students in the video boot camp. And here I had recorded a little bit ago some video of videos on her Facebook page. So I actually use that as B-roll, as an addition to this clip. So people don't just have to look at me, they can look at B-roll of what I'm talking about. So let's listen to what this sounds like.
If you're wondering if it's worth the time and effort to create video, then this interview is for you. I want to introduce you to Misty Lineberger. She's a CPA, a business owner, and a student in my Master Video Today program. Misty is everywhere online these days.
There's a little bit of audio on this video clip, so I'm going to lower that audio level, but you can see it's actually perfect.
Misty is everywhere online.
You can see
she creates weekly videos, she shares them on social.
What we've added is just a little bit of color to explain the videos that Misty's creating without having her come into this particular clip, because I'm actually introducing her in an interview that I had with her. So this is actually just perfect B-roll to explain that Misty's been doing videos on a pretty regular basis. And this is your clip. If you wanted to, you could just wrap it up here, click Finish, name your video, click Set. And then once you get to this page, I always use Full HD, export it. And this clip then I can download to my computer and then upload from here onto social media, maybe Facebook or YouTube or wherever I decide. And that's it. That's all you do. You put the clips in your video sequentially in your timeline, cut out the pieces you don't want, and then add B-roll as it makes sense to bring color and life to the end result.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.